Welcome back to Show Academy. Here's a secret about your brain. It doesn't learn by cramming, it learns by forgetting, and then remembering again. That's the magic of spaced repetition. Think of your memory like a path in the forest. Walk it once, it disappears by tomorrow. Walk it every day, it becomes a highway. Spaced repetition is how you turn weak memories into permanent highways. Here's how it works. Number 1. After you first learn something, review it the next day. That first reminder is crucial. It saves the memory before it fades. Number 2, review again after 3 days. The gap is bigger, but your brain is ready. You're telling it, hey, this is important, keep it. Number 3, review after a week, then 2 weeks, then a month. Every time you stretch the gap, you make the memory harder to forget. Number 4, this is why flashcard apps like Anki or even a simple notebook system are so powerful. They schedule your reviews just as your brain is about to forget. Here's the smart part. Cramming may get you through tomorrow's quiz, but you'll forget it next week. Spaced repetition makes sure what you learn today is still with you at exam time, and even years later. So don't just read it once and hope it sticks. Space it, repeat it, and watch your knowledge grow stronger every single time. Because your memory is a muscle, and spaced repetition is the workout. Study smart. Grade up with Show Academy.